Anybody out there see that survey that was on the internet the other day? The How America Shops survey? Well, according to the survey of How America Shops, they were saying that people making $100,000 to $150,000 from the age of 18 to 34 are having financial struggles. Okay? They're saying basically, in order for you to just have the basic needs, okay, a few extras, and maybe a savings, you need to be at least making $150,000 a year. Can you imagine that? 15, 20 years ago, making $150,000 a year, you were extremely comfortable. I'm going to say you were rich. 20 years ago, 25 years ago, you were rich making that amount of money. Now it's nothing. I mean, it's a struggle. It just leads me once again to believe that it's the people running the show. I mean, there's no reason why a person making $150,000 a year cannot live somewhat comfortable. It's terrible. First thing that comes to my head is the children of today. Where are they going to go? And I'm not talking about your rocket scientist kids, I'm talking about your average Joe. There's more average Joes than that rocket scientist or that engineer guy. But the bottom line is, even most of those jobs are full. Okay, so if you have 47 million rocket scientists and there's only, 300 jobs, all right, well, we got a lot of rocket scientists unemployed. But to know that $150,000 is still like low income, wow. I mean, what is going on up there in Washington or wherever else you want to blame? I mean, there's a serious problem out there. I remember, talking to some of my friends many years ago, and, you might make $70,000, $80,000. Wow, you were driving a gorgeous car. You were living in a nice, affordable home. Now, it's poverty. Boy, we've got a problem. And I only see it getting worse. You got to start making things a little bit easier out here for these folks. These children aren't going to have anything. I mean, they're going to need a job paying them $250,000 a year. And that's probably going to be able to, you might be able to rent the place. I mean, we've got a serious problem. I mean, we got to start restructuring the United States so people could live, okay? Right now, it's unlivable for a lot of these people. I mean, we're not even bringing up the next generation of kids. How's it going to be livable for them? Is anybody thinking about stuff like that? Or is it just the homeowners who are, going to the gas pumps and going, ouch? They're thinking about stuff, as they're pumping gas going, how are my kids going to drive? I mean, come on. Well, I'll tell you what, we need a change here. This new generation of politicians that we got, it's not working, okay? It's not working. I couldn't believe it. $150,000 a year and you're only getting the basics? Wow, we got a problem. Come on. Come on. Doesn't take an education to figure that out. It takes common sense. Do you got common sense out there? $150,000 is only going to get you the basics? Now, a light just went off on the top of my head. I don't know if you could see it, but I'm hoping it went off on the top of your head too, folks. I'm disgusted right now. I'm disgusted. It's beautiful outside. It's sunny. But I had to come down here in my basement just to let you folks know that I'm disgusted with that. $150,000. And heck, that only means in the way the economy's going nowadays, and I was going to say in 5 years, but I'm going to say 1 year, maybe 2 years. What's $150,000 mean? You're poor? Wow. Come on, America. Wake up. What? Are you kidding me?